Want to listen to your YouTube videos in the background while your phone is locked or while you're using other apps but don't want to pay for a premium? Here's a solution. For this method, you need to use your web browser instead of your YouTube application. So open your browser, then go to youtube.com, log into your specific account. Now go ahead and find a video that you want to listen to and start playing it. Ignore any messages asking you to open the YouTube application and watch or skip any ads before the video. Once the video begins playing, you can lock your phone or close the browser, and a video will pause. Now, use the playback controls on your lock screen or in your device control center to press play. Your selected YouTube video will continue playing in the background and the audio will continue until the video finishes. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Now you can listen to YouTube in the background without premium. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.